Hello students, welcome to the session. Students, in this session I would like to discuss with you the assignment key. Going for the first question. What are the other ways of excretion through accessory excretory organs? What are the accessory excretory organs that are seen in our body which helps in the excretion process? So the organs are such as like skin, which is considered as accessory excretory organ, which is one of the important structure that helps in the removal of waste from our body. Even lungs, you know that lungs that plays an important role in the excretion or removal of gases, waste gases or unwanted gases that are present in our body. Even the large intestine, suppose take a large intestine, the large intestine eliminates digested food, undigested food, or some food will be digested, some food will be not digested, both will be. So after digestion process, whatever it left in the stomach, through the large intestine, it will be eliminated from our body. So skin, lungs, large intestine, even the other kind of organs which are present in our body eliminates excess waste from our body. Suppose take a liver. Liver is also one of the important excretory organ. What are the substances excreted by the liver? Some nitrogenous waste, urea, nitrogenous waste eliminated by the liver. Suppose take the skin. Skin contains sweat glands. These sweat glands eliminates the salts or unwanted salts from our body, isn't it? Skin is considered as largest sensory organ that eliminates excess salts from the body. Lungs eliminates excess gases or excretory or excess gases, waste gases. Gases are excreted by lungs. Large intestine eliminates the undigested food as well as after absorption, the digested food, the waste, whatever it comes, it will be eliminated by the large intestine. Liver, it eliminates certain kind of nitrogenous waste. Certain kind of nitrogenous waste. So these are the major organs that helps in the that are performing accessory function in our body. Students, moving on to next question. How do you say that skin acts as an excretory organ? As we discussed previously, skin is made up of certain kind of glands. Sebaceous glands, sweat glands are seen in the skin. So these glands generally eliminates the certain kind of salts through the sweat pores. Sweat glands are having sweat pores. These sweat pores eliminates these salts from the skin. Salts including sodium chloride, other kind of salts like potassium chloride eliminated through this sweat pores. So based on this, we can consider as skin as a major sensory as well as excretory organ which covers our body. Moving on to next question. A table is given in the different phyla, classes, and with their excretory system completed with suitable answers. Take a Platyhelminthes. What are the excretory organs in Platyhelminthes? Try to guess. Suppose take Nephridia, Metanephridia, Echinodermata. I am starting with Nephridia. Suppose take a Nephridia. What are the excretory organs? Where excretory organs like nephridians are seen? The nephridians are generally seen in annelids, where we can see in the phyla called annelids. Whereas if you see the Metanephridia, metanephridians are seen in molluscans, where we can see them mollusca. Echinodermates have water vascular system. What they have? Water vascular system. Water vascular system. Whereas the first one, platyhelminthes, they have flame cells. What they have? Flame cells, which helps in the excretion of waste from the body. So students, you have seen, enjoyed the exciting assignment. Remaining assignment keys will be discussed in the further classes. Until be safe. Thank you. Have a nice day and be safe.